Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. And this is the brightness icon. And you can tap on this icon, it will bring you to this menu, and here you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and then you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings you can find the option called display and brightness and select it, and here tap on brightness. And now you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider, of course. Oh, my bad. Let's adjust the brightness a bit, and then you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.